How far do you believe you can go in your financial life? This question may sound simple, but it reveals far more than numbers. It reveals identity, mindset, and internal limits. Most people answer quickly, without reflection, basing their response only on what they have already lived or what they have seen someone close to them achieve. And that is exactly where the problem lies. When you limit the future to the past, you turn old experiences into invisible prisons. Think carefully. Earning $10,000 a month once felt impossible, just as 20, 30, or 50,000 might feel now. Everything that is common today was once unreachable. What changes is not the world, but perception. Until you expand your vision, you will continue living smaller versions of the life you could have. The mind defines the ceiling long before reality ever tries to reach it. Now observe the world around you. Exhausted people, trapped in routines they hate, working only to pay bills, accumulating silent frustrations. It is not a lack of effort, but a lack of direction. Many work hard, but without strategy. Others dream big, but fail to sustain the process. The result is always the same. Repeated cycles, identical months, years passing with no real evolution. The absence of clear goals creates a constant feeling of stagnation. When there is no defined destination, any distraction becomes a priority, and any obstacle becomes a reason to quit. Financial life becomes a direct reflection of this internal confusion. This is not about intelligence or luck, but about clarity and consistency. Those who do not know where they want to go inevitably accept staying where they are. We now arrive at the most uncomfortable yet most powerful point: personal responsibility. Taking responsibility means stopping the lies you tell yourself. It means recognizing that every current result was built little by little through daily decisions. This is not about blame, but about awareness. As long as you believe someone else needs to change for your life to improve, you give away your power. The turning point comes when you understand that no one is coming to save you, motivate you every day, or solve your problems. This realization does not weaken you, it strengthens you. Because when you take control, you also realize that you have the ability to change direction. Prosperity begins when the victim mindset dies and the protagonist is born. There is another truth that few are willing to accept. Prosperity requires discomfort. It requires letting go of unproductive habits, convenient excuses, and immediate pleasures. It requires learning what was never taught, acting without guarantees, and maintaining discipline after motivation fades. Financial growth demands emotional preparation. Those who cannot tolerate frustration, rejection, or delay abandon the process far too early. Extraordinary results are built in silence, far from applause. There is no real change without daily repetition of the right actions. What looks fast to those watching was almost always slow for the one building it. Finally, understand this non-negotiable truth. Life works by planting and harvesting. Thoughts generate decisions, decisions generate actions, and actions generate results. There is no fixed financial destiny, only direction. Life delivers exactly what you consistently cultivate. If you plant excuses, you harvest stagnation. If you plant discipline, you harvest growth. The future is not something that happens to you, it is something you build. And from this moment on, the question that defines everything is this: will you continue waiting for the world to change? Or will you commit daily to becoming the person capable of living the life you say you desire?